for engineers' use only. Thank you.
So, welcome to my how-to guide on how to get into service cycle mode on a Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine. If you have the Lindo 100 series, the old version is applicable to that rather than this version. This version is completely new and affects more of the button ranges, so this should work loosely on the AEG button series and the Electrolux button series too. So, but if you've got an old-fashioned control dial, then you'll have to use the old version. The first thing you want to do is make sure it's not in any other cycle than 3030, and this isn't got 0 on, or indeed it hasn't got, like, say, cotton 60 or whatever, because it's all wrong. So what you want to first do is turn it off, turn it back on, make sure it comes up with a 30-minute program, then turn it back off again. Then what we're going to do is press and hold the option button here and the pause button here, and then we're going to turn it on. And we're going to hit program once. I think I just hit it. And what we're going to do is hit the program button once while still holding the... and that should bring up your last error code. If that does that, that's just to bring up the last error code. Try again. So we're going to switch it off. We're going to press and hold option and play start, turn it on, press program button, and then it should start doing this. So if we tap these buttons, you'll get a number just to correspond to each button, including the program button as well. And if you hold them, these won't do anything, so. But it's more to test. However, if you hold the program button, we can actually go into service mode. So, press and hold program button. And then we've got a series of lights. So we've got this number here. It's measuring the pressure within the chamber for the pressure switch. If it's not going up, then obviously you've got a problem with pressure anyway, chamber. So the first one is filling through the main wash. We can press it again. We've got a direct fill through the door, which will be the pre-wash, which is a bit weird. Then we've got fabric softener. Then number 4, if you have an AEG series, you have a stain compartment, and this will be filling through the stain compartment right now, but it's not on this. 5 will be the jet system only, just running the jet system, but we don't have a jet system on this. 6, if we notice, we've got 011, that's the temperature of the wash water. If you leave it on, it will steadily rise, and therefore you can test the heater. But it will take absolutely ages on this case. For some reason it's going down slightly, maybe it was 12 degrees before when I last tested this, so the cold water's dropped slightly. It doesn't immediately kick in, but it will start eventually. Right, so I'm going to zoom out on this. I'm going to show you the next bit. So here we go. So if we press the program button again and we get duvets lit up there, or basically program 7. So this will measure the RPM in tens. So you'll get 5 for 50 RPM, and then it will spin anti-clockwise at 250 RPM. So you'll get 25 up here. And what that's doing is looking for leaks. If you haven't filled up with enough water during the first 3 clicks, it will add more water to it at the reasonable height. Same with the heater as well. And then finally, if we select mix 20, it will pump out. Then once pumped out, it will do a spin. So it'll steady at 650 RPM, and then go straight up to max speed now. This is a 1400 spin machine, so it should be reading 135, which is actually correct. All machines are 50 RPM out. So at 1200, it'll be 115. Got 1600, it should be 1550, or 155. So that's the testing right spin. However, you may be surprised when I have tested it in the past. I've had a washer dryer where it actually spun 1600 RPM, or 155, even though it was only 1400 RPM to stay in the machine. So that was a little bit surprised that. Next click, going to 90 degrees there. Now that, if it's a washer dryer, will now be doing the drying cycle. And you'll have two different numbers flashing intermittently, one at the back, one at the front, two different temperatures readings basically. Final one is the last error code. At this point you may want to cancel the last error code. For whatever reason, you may be testing this machine and you may not get initial error code, so what you want to do is get rid of this error code, so next time if you get a fault you can go straight into service mode and you can get that code up. So to get rid of the code, press the option and the play button for 3 seconds, and that gets rid of that. And then press the program button again. It's going through its cycle of LEDs to test them all, to test which ones are out. To quit it, all you have to do is press on off and hold. So it goes out. Then, if you turn it back on again, we got ELE, that's the electric test. What you'll do is fill up, then heat the water to around 40 degrees, then shut off. Yeah, that's what actually happens. It's a bit rubbish. Anyway, so that's a quick test mode for if you want to quickly test it. So it's like a mini wash cycle. Frankly, it's a bit rubbish. Anyway, actually for this video I'm going to leave it running on this and you can watch it. And then I'll show you how to get out of it once it's done. Right, so that's nice and warm now, but for some reason. That's all it does, it just leaves it warm water in there. So I heat it to 40. Now of course you're back into normal program mode. You can just let drain and spin. Drain. Drain that out, and then that's it. I think you're ready to go. So that's it, that's a complete how-to guide on how to activate the service mode and the test cycle on a Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos like this. And I'll see you again.